Looking for the perfect all-season portable air conditioner? Sonne mit Gesicht Schneeflocke look no forther. Introducing the Olympia Splendid 02029 Dolce Klima Air Pro 14 HP Mobile Air Conditioner. Pustendes Gesicht funkeln Made in Italy, this powerful 14,000 BTU H 3.52 kW AC is Wi-Fi ready, giving you ultimate control and comfort. Verliebtes Gesicht Mobiltelefon with its integrated heat pump, you can enjoy warmth in winter and coolness in summer. Thermometer Sprint Symbol the motorized flap allows you to adjust the airflow direction, and the natural cooling gas air 290 minimises its impact on global heating. Globus mit Europa-Afrika Küchenkraut with a touch display, remote control, and app Wi-Fi, you can easily customize functions like dehumidification, Eco Mode, Turbo Mode, Silent Mode.